when air, because air is always, you can say, is a dry or something like that. We need a moisture, means like a moisture. So here we put oil, then air will mix with the oil, then some oil moisturizer. Then it will go here, then you will go different directions. So we will see, okay, then this is the main, normally in any flow circuit.
Yes, regulator.
Flow means I talk about air, they make air even same concept for the oil also. Okay. So from the FRL, now you know the, here they make another to know the pressure. This is normally pressure. So from here, this is a valve. Means how to, when you require valve. It is a manual, if you push it, then the air will go from here, this is the in, then you go to out. This construction, here, this construction means there is a plunger is there. One in, one plunger is there. So there is a two output. So if you push it like here one hole, here one hole. Okay.
The hole is adjusted.
Just a step is there. Okay. So when air is there, so you are not getting any air. When you push it, then here will be output, here another output. Okay. So this is normally a concept. So if you push it, then air goes out, then it goes to anything you want to operate. Here it is a cylinder, is the input, this is the something. So when you put air, so what is the tendency? Is try to pull this one. So here is air inside the barrel is there. So air goes inside the barrel. Then from here it will push it. So air try to push. Because air. No, stroke is not counted. That's a different. When you count the stroke, that's another. So air we are pushing because any fluid like air is incompressible. You cannot compress air. So here air is compressed. So if you compress, then it should do some work done. So what it will do? It will move the piston. So if you push it, then piston operate. But air, then if you need to release it, then you on the opposite you put some air, some other lever, you will operate that lever, then air goes this way, opposite, then lever will retract. So this is how we operate air. You want to operate a cylinder, how it will operate. When you push it, then it will work. Without, when you don't push it, it will not work. Okay. Then one you push it, even same at same time you want to do some other job also. Like when I push it, I push the cylinder operate, another air is going to this. This is also a valve. This is normally a pilot valve. Means air is trying to push and try to go some other way. But if you have some pressure, it's normally if it like a setting. If I have a 2 bar, then the air will go. Otherwise, it will not go. Like it's a pilot operator. Means not direction control. If you are getting this much of air with the pressure, then it will open some valve. Then you will go some direction. Otherwise, it will not operate. So inside there is a spring where it will operate that much of pressure. Means if I set it, you set as a 4 bar. Means when your pressure is 4 bar, then you can get air. If your pressure is below 4 bar, then it will not open. So and same way, then they are connected. This is one of the limit switch or some directional valve. Direction means if you want to change the air directions. So here air comes, again you think air comes here. I need to close this valve. So you push it here, then air will goes from here, then it will connect it to this place. So like cylinder, if you open it, push, cylinder open, push here, cylinder close. So this is normally how we control air to operate some components.
So this is called limit switch.
This is the directional valve. Means if you push it, then the air will goes from here,
Achha.
from directional valve.
Achha, these limit switch.
These are the limit switches.
Okay, maximum out.
So, maximum means
Okay, okay.
when how the limit switch work. If you say I want to open the piston up to this. If you want to open the piston up to here, you just relocate to up to here. So it will sense, then it will give signal to some valve close.
Okay, okay. This is the limit of the maximum.
Limit of maximum.
Achha, what is this called?
This is normally pilot. Pilot valve means when your air is coming inside, it has an inbuilt spring. I need this much of pressure, then you go to that direction.
So that these are same almost.
No, this
is manual one, manual
This is a
one.
manual one.
Manual valve.
But this is not manual. When your pressure is built up, then it will up to 4 bar, then it will go to some direction.
This is limit. 4
This
bar.
is limit. This is
Okay.
There is a limit.
And what is this? This is also pilot valve.
No, this is solenoid valve. This is electrical solenoid valve.
Okay, okay. Electric valve.
This is normal electrical solenoid valve.
So this require pulse.
DC means this record pulse.
Pulse. And this require
DC
air
means
pressure.
directional control.
Directional control.
Directional control.
DC means sir, this can on single direction. This can on single direction.
No, directional control means if you give, I have one air here. If I charge this, then air will come out from here.
Okay.
If I charge this, then air will come out.
So both the charge. This
No,
cannot
no,
happen.
it cannot be done.
Okay.
Because this signal you are getting, you are taking this signal from one relay.
Okay.
I am talking about the electrical part.
Okay.
For operating this valve, you have only one relay. So the current will be only in one direction.
One direction. Okay.
So you
One
cannot
direction cannot.